Those look so fake. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know. I'm finally healed 100%. I was really sick with something going around here. Basically, it felt like I didn't have the flu, but I had a really bad like sinus thing going on, and then I had a lot of like congestion in my chest. It was a big mess, but anyway, I'm better. I'm alive. We're here. We're doing it. While I was out sick though, I was able to accumulate quite a bit of product that I wanted to review and share with you guys. Yeah, I don't like to wear contact lenses when I'm sick. I like to wait until I'm completely healed. That way any bacteria or anything I have going on in my system doesn't end up somehow in my contacts, and then it gets contaminated and all that stuff. So I waited till I was well. I've been well for about a week or two. So I got an entire week to try these lenses out for you guys so I can give you a review. I did have a few people asking if I can try some more natural looking colors. I don't have too many super like natural colors. I don't have any brown contacts because to me personally, my eyes are hazel brown or like more of a brown. So I'm not gonna spend money on contact lenses that are already like my color. It's more fun for me to wear contact lenses that are a color that I don't have in my eyes, because why am I gonna stick a contact lens in my eye that is the same color? So I'm sorry if you guys are looking for a video like that. This isn't for you. There are plenty of other really good videos out there with people trying on, you know, brown contact lenses, but I did make it a point to order some that weren't too far off from my color. So they're a little bit more natural. So this company I actually did receive free product from. The company is called Boulangui. I think that's how you pronounce their brand. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the company's name right up here, and then I'm gonna link their website below so that you guys can go ahead and check them out. So they actually sent me some lenses to try out. I'm not getting paid for this. The only kind of perk that I got out of this was mainly for you guys. They did give me a discount code. So if you decide that you wanna try out some of their lenses, either based on my review or just based on curiosity alone, you can go to their website down below and enter the code Draculina. There's a smidge of a discount for you guys. Just, you know, any little bit helps. But that's for you guys. It's there if you want to use it. Again, I don't get any payment or anything like that from this company. They just saw one of my contact reviews. We talked, chit chat, and then they basically said, hey, pick 2 lenses, give your honest review on them, and if anyone decides they want to try out our lenses, here's a little code for them to use. So the 2 colors that I got are by Freshtone. So that's like the brand of the lens. And then the colors, number 1 is Aloe Vera, which I'll list here. And the second one is the color Butter. So Butter is here. Okay. So I'm on Boulangui's website, and when you first of all go in, they have prescription lenses and cosmetic lenses. However, they do not carry astigmatism lenses. That's sad for me because I have astigmatism.
Boo, you whore.
The lenses that I got don't have a prescription just because I wanted to feel the comfort, see the lenses and how they wear in natural sunlight. So currently the lenses that I got, they are for retail at $35. They do have a few discounts going on their website already. So the hydration is 38%, the diameter is 14.5 millimeters, the base curve is an 8.6. On their website, it does say that they ship between 5 to 7 business days. So that's great, it's like standard shipping. They are durable for a month. Wait, what? Only a month? I thought they were longer. That's so crazy. Another thing I really like about their website is there's an actual lens care page. So it shows you videos on how to properly remove your lenses from, you know, the casing, how to properly clean your lenses, how to properly put them into your eye, how to just basically be careful and sanitary when you're, you know, handling your lenses. So that's something that I can really appreciate, especially for someone who is a first-time lens wearer. That's very helpful and useful. The only problem I have with this company is that they are advertising on their website that these Freshtone lenses have a durability of only 1 month after opening. So that's the only downer with me. I took time to wear both of these lenses for at least 5 days straight. For long hours, I'm talking like 8 to 12 hours a day. Let's get into the review. So the first pair of lenses I'm gonna put on for you are my Aloe Vera lenses. It's been over a month really since the first time that they sent me these lenses, but like I said, I got really sick and I couldn't put a review out. So first things first, the shipping for me, because I'm in LA and they are in Atlanta, Georgia, it took literally like 5 or 7 days. Like it took about a week at the most. Maybe even less than that, honestly. I don't really remember, I'm sorry, but all I remember is I made a note in my head like, damn, that was really quick shipping. Usually I wait a month or longer from the other companies that I order from, because I order from like Europe, like Solotica or like Desio, and they take like forever to arrive. So when these showed up really quick, I was so happy. This is what the box looks like. And then the second one I got is like this. And these are the Freshtone 3-tone butter. So on their website, these are actually called Freshtone Diva Butter, and that's the color. As always, you know the deal. If you've been here before, I'm going to show you my natural eye color up front first, and then I'll show you what my eyes look like with the lenses on. So this is my natural eye color in moderate lighting. I don't have my lights on too bright. Had a little bit of a technical difficulty. My camera just stopped recording while I was putting the lenses in my eyes, but it's cool, we're back. The lenses are in my eye. These are the Freshtone Aloe Vera. I think it's Freshtone 3-tone. There's actually 3 tones to them. So I'm gonna zoom in and you're gonna be able to see like what I mean. So here are the lenses, very, very up close and personal. There is slightly a dark ring around the exterior of the iris, which I really like because it kind of helps to blend the color in a little bit better. And you can also see closer to the pupil, there's a little bit of a splash of like brown colors in there, so it helps to blend if you have a darker eye color in a little bit more. That's something that I really, really love about these lenses. But obviously the color is very, very in your face bright, but they're beautiful. I really like them. Alright, so you guys asked to see the lenses in natural lighting. This is actually just on my regular iPhone. I'm taking a video of me in my bedroom. All I have on are like regular like bedroom, I guess, ceiling lights, and obviously my window right back here. So when I have the light behind me, this is what the lenses look like up close. They did a really good job at blending. You can see some of the brown here and then the limbal ring on the outside, so they look a lot more natural in, you know, regular lighting than most lenses this bright actually look. And then I'm gonna go ahead and face my window, so it'll just be this really bright natural lighting. So I'm turning. Okay, so now this is what the lenses look like facing a window with, you know, bright sunlight coming in. But yeah, these are the lenses, and this is what they look like. I'm gonna zoom you real close. Again, this is just with my iPhone. And I'm not gonna edit this footage, it's just gonna be as is so that you guys can see like how it looks raw. But yeah, so these are the Freshtone lenses in the color Aloe Vera, and these were sent to me by the company Boulangui. On to the rest of the video. As you guys know, I do usually like to give a really, really close up look at the lenses in the ring light. And then I like to come and back up a little bit so you can see what it looks like a little bit further, as if you were like talking to someone in person. This is what the lenses look still close up, but far enough to where you can see it all together in a more like, you know, less intrusive way. I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit more so that you can see the lenses from even further. So this is what the lenses look like a little bit further, a more, you know, natural distance from another person if you were talking to someone. But these are so beautiful. I love these contact lenses. For days that I'm looking for a more like intense eye color, I obviously will pop these in. They're not the most like natural looking lenses, like as far as the color goes. The lenses that I'm wearing, I can just wear with confidence and not have people being like, Those look so fake. You know what I mean? I have people just like kind of looking and just talking to me normal, and then as an afterthought, they're like, God, your eyes are so beautiful. And I'm like,
they're not mine.
But yeah, so these are the Freshtone Aloe Vera lenses. And like I said, they're so comfortable. These lenses are my favorite to take photos in because they just come out so like crisp and bright, and it really just makes the face look fresh. And these are lenses I usually tend to wear when I do a more natural makeup. But I feel like these wear really well when you don't have a lot of makeup on, because, you know, lenses usually look good when you have like a shit ton of makeup on. But when you have a more natural face, it's harder for the lenses to look, you know, natural. But now on to the butter. All right, so now you can see the comparison between my natural color eye. Wait, no, that's not my natural color eye. My natural color eye and the Aloe Vera lens. So this is a lens that I was saying is the more natural looking, more browner undertone kind of lens. So obviously there's a huge difference. These are the Aloe Vera and this is butter. And as you can tell, these are so natural looking. These are everyday lenses. When I wear these, no one ever asks me like, are you wearing contacts? Or, Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pop the other lens in. Okay, so here are the butter contacts. Now, these aren't as intense from farther away. It pretty much looks like I don't have contact lenses in my eyes because they are more close in color to my natural eye color. So that's why I like them, because it gives my eyes a subtle like boost of color. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in for you so you can see what the lenses look like up close and personal. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is the color butter. So again, I'm doing just a regular iPhone video. So I'm looking out my window right now, and this is what the lenses look like in natural daylight. I love these lenses so much. They're seriously so comfortable, but they're so freaking natural looking. Ooh, look at that close up. Mind you, I don't have like any special phone, but look at that blend in the iris. Woo! So this is what it looks like in just my room lighting with, you know, my ceiling lights on. The window is here. So regular, like, I guess, indoor lighting. But the color still looks really pretty and subtle. And I don't look like I have dragon eyes or like reptile eyes or anything like that. And that's my contact. And that's my eye color. Pretty big difference. And this is in the color butter. Back to the video. I did have someone request that I do that, so thank you for the suggestion. And then a little bit of wear information for you guys. These are actually a little bit more comfortable than the Aloe Vera lenses because for some reason these just feel thinner than the Aloe Vera, and I think it's because the Aloe Vera lenses, they have more color deposited into the actual lens, like the tritone that you saw. So they are a little bit thicker, but still very comfortable. I have to be honest, they're comfortable. Yeah, so these are a lot more natural looking, a little bit more comfortable, but overall beautiful, beautiful lenses. And I do feel like this lens does make your eyes look a little bit more enlarged, a little bit more doll-like, which is personally something that I like. I have big eyes already, but I feel like it just makes them look brighter. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm gonna zoom you in now. So I took the lens out of this eye. This is my natural color eye, and this is the color butter. I can tell those of you who do have astigmatism in both eyes or in an eye, there isn't a bad shift factor with these lenses. Like as you saw up close, I can like move my eyes up and down, close them, open them, and they don't shift in my eye. So that's just because I think the diameter and all of those things, the base curve just happened to be what my eye size is. So make sure you check that information on the website and match it to your prescription to make sure that they are going to be comfortable for you. But as far as me, I can wear these for, like I said, anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. I've worn these the longest for 14 hours. Yeah, just some background for you guys. If you do have astigmatism in your eyes, I can tell you from my personal experience that I don't have a crazy shift factor. I now feel weird having only one contact in the eye because I know they're different colors. Okay guys, so that is my review on the Boulangui Freshtone lenses. I really hope you enjoy the videos that I've been putting out. I promise I will put out more content going forward. I was on a really good kind of steady pace for a while, and then I got sick, and it's always when I get sick that I just I don't get back into it. But this time I won't let you down. I really appreciate all of the views that I've had on my videos. I didn't think I was gonna have, you know, that many people or that many of you guys watching my reviews, but if you guys like them, I will continue to do them as long as you guys are watching and requesting. So thank you so much for, you know, coming by my channel and watching my reviews. I'm always 100% honest with you guys on my personal opinion on lenses. I don't ever feel like I have to lie. I'm not getting anything out of it, and I really appreciate your guys' comments, your likes, your requests. You just clicking and viewing it for me is just like really exciting because, I mean, it makes me happy. For everyone who has some sort of hate comment to write in the videos, be you, do you girl, do you boy, whatever. I don't really care. So if you have anything negative to say, I feel bad for you. Like, you should really figure out your life because you're missing something, obviously, for you to feel like you need to write hate comments, I mean, towards me or to anyone else. So be gone with your negativity. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Mwah. I know, I had a comment about my freaking crooked teeth. The thing that sucks though is it's not crooked teeth. I have one crooked tooth. It's this one. And it makes all my teeth look crooked because it's this one, and it's hereditary. It is hereditary. And the reason I haven't fixed it yet is because my aunt, who is my favorite aunt, she had the same snaggle tooth, we call it in the family, and she passed away. So it's kind of like my little piece of her, and I think that's probably why I haven't, you know, made it a priority to get it fixed. But that's just a little background information for you. Bye. With my snaggle tooth. It adds character.